Gary's Vegan Ratatouille. It's a hot and colorful oven-baked meal with an earthy taste with vegetables and tofu.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food plant-based lifestyle.
Okay, this is one extra firm tofu package, 12 ounce. Right next to underneath the orange is organic carrots, a medium butternut squash, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 large red onion, 1 eggplant.
1 cup butternut squash, 1 cup diced eggplant, 1 cup diced carrots, 1 cup celery, 1 cup frozen spinach, 1 large red onion.
If your celery looks like this, just take one of these peelers and just peel it off. Nothing wrong with it. You have a small blemish. Can be no reason to throw it away. You just peel off the skin off. See, here's another defect. Just peel it off. And that way can still use the celery for whatever you're using it for. Just peel off all the blemishes. How to cut a butternut squash. Use a knife, use a mallet, meat tenderizer, find a middle point. So this is 1 cup of bell peppers and roasted bell peppers, 1 can of diced tomato, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon Himalayan Sea Salt, 1/4 teaspoon cumin, 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning. This white casserole dish is what all the ingredients will be placed into. This is oilless free cooking, so the first thing we do is put in the onions on the bottom. So this 1 cup of butternut squash on top of the onions, and I've added to it the extra firm tofu on top of that, kind of mixed it in. I've added 1 cup of eggplant to the very top of that. Next is going to be the roasted bell peppers to give it some color. The roasted bell peppers on top. Next we have a cup of spinach. Always looking for dark green leafy vegetables. Celery. Take some big carrots, it's about a cup worth. Cut them in big gigantic chunks. Give it lots of color. Now mix your ingredients in the tomato. So this is the Italian seasoning, Himalayan sea salt, black pepper, cumin. Just mix it inside, and you'll be pouring that over the top of it as your seasoning for the dish. Pour over the top. Okay, now just mash everything down. It's all going to cook together and it's going to be really good. To cover over the top of it. Now stick it in your oven at 350 degrees for 60 minutes. So the oven now is set at 350 degrees. We're going to put the casserole in the oven on the center shelf. Set your timer for 60 minutes. Timer just rang, so we're going to turn it off. We're going to bring down the door down, and next we're going to do is use 2 nets, pick it up, close your door for safety. And see if everything's cooked. It has a very delicious aroma. The squash is all cooked. The eggplants are cooked. And let this cool a little bit. Come back and put it on the plate. Serve it up. Here we have ourselves our plate. And we're going to serve this up. You see the white chunks, that's tofu. The orange is the butternut squash. The carrots, got some onions on the bottom. Got a little bit of green is the spinach. This is the juice from the liquid. Purple is the eggplant. This makes a nice hearty meal. We top it off with cashew cheese. The tofu has imparted the flavor of all the vegetables. The butternut squash is very well cooked. The eggplant is warm and it's imparted the flavor of everything else around it. So this makes a very hearty meal. This casserole is for my dinner. After dinner, I'm simply going to put away most of it, if there's any left over, in plastic bags for future dishes.
Hi, this is Gary. Click the circle on my face to subscribe, or click the upper box on your right side of your screen to check my expanded playlist. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video.